Good morning, friends. Now we'll discuss about die sinking idiom and wire idiom differences and similarities between them. As we know that our non-traditional machining processes had evolved to eliminate the restrictions imposed by the conventional metal cutting processes, and for the sake of material removal, non-traditional machining processes directly utilize the various form of energy like mechanical energy, electrical energy, thermal, chemical, electrochemical, light. These are the some kind of energy which are used for the material removal purpose. And one such thermal energy based on NTM process is electrical discharge machining, that is EDM. EDM utilizes an electrical conductive tool, that is electrode, that has a specific shape. Okay, as just I have mentioned, EDM utilizes a electrically conductive tool or electrode that has a specific shape, and this electrode is then brought closer to the conductive workpiece, and a small gap, that is 0.21 mm, is continuously maintained in between them, and this gap is however filled with suitable dielectric fluid, and the conductive tool and the conductive workpiece acts like a two electrodes on an electrical circuit. Okay, and when sufficient potential difference is applied between these two electrodes, the dielectric fluid breaks down to the form a spark, and the spark striking the work surface and increases the localized temperature to as high as up to 10,000 degrees Celsius, and this results localized melting and vaporization of the work material. Hence, material removal will occur. Okay. Now again, EDM process can be carried out in several ways following the same above mentioned principle, and accordingly different variants of EDM have evolved, and two of them are die sinking EDM and wire EDM. Die sinking EDM also known as conventional EDM process, and which is employed a EDM this conventional EDM employed a tool electrode having a profile matching with the intended shape, and the electrode usually has a larger face. Okay, it is used to impart multifarious blind shapes and surface curvature. On the other hand, wire EDM, or we can say WEDM, or also known as wire cut EDM, employ a conductive wire as a tool electrode, and this wire is continuously moved between two fixed pulleys, and the workpiece is fed against the wire. Okay, so the spark is generated between the wire and workpiece, and it is and there material removal will occur, and this process is suitable for through profile cutting or a sample preparation. It cannot make any blind feature as the wire is required to pass through it. Okay, this is about the wire EDM. Now there are various similarities and differences between die sinking EDM and wire EDM. So let us discuss similarities. So as we know that both die sinking EDM and wire EDM are thermal energy based non-traditional machining processes, and none of these is considered as hybrid process. The mechanism of material removal is same in both the cases. This mechanism is nothing but spark erosion or melting and vaporization of work metal due to the extreme localized temperature of the spark. Okay, and the suitable dielectric fluid like deionized water, kerosene, okay, is applied in both the cases to assist the spark generation and debris removal or work removal. Again, the presence of suitable potential difference between the tool electrode, that is cathode, and the workpiece, that is anode, that suitable potential difference is necessary for breakdown of the dielectric fluid. Okay, for both the process it is common. Then none of them is associated with the production of the Bohr residual traces, okay, etc. And none of these them, that means the both the process, release on mechanical properties of the work material such as strength, hardness, ductility, etc. However, the electrical conductivity is the one mandatory property of the work material for the both the process. Now let us discuss the differences between die sinking EDM and wire EDM process. Now first point about the die sinking is a die made of conductive metal is used as a tool electrode, that is cathode, to liberate electrons from the for producing a spark. In case of wire EDM, instead of die, a long small diameter wire made of conductive metal is used as a tool electrode or cathode. Then a die can be given complex 3D profile. Accordingly, die sinking EDM can produce intricate shapes and features on the job also. This is advantage, or we can say application. In case of wire EDM, wire always has a same simple geometry, so wire EDM is not suitable for producing 3D counter. It is preferred for only 2D cutting. Okay, then die sinking EDM can produce blind features like holes or cavities that are not often in bottle end also. Okay, but wire EDM cannot produce any blind features. It is applicable for profile cutting by means of throw holes only. Okay, die sinking EDM can start machining at any location on the workpiece irrespective of the presence or absence of edge or throw holes. But wire EDM can start machining from edges only. To initiate wire EDM process at an intermediate location on workpiece, a throw hole, that is starter, is required to fabricate using other operation for the passage of wire. So this is a limitation of this process. Then die sinking is commonly used for 3D contouring, finishing, drilling, deburring purposes. And wire EDM process is mostly used for high accuracy profile cutting, sample preparation, and separating and parting off. Okay, so these are the differences. Here I have mentioned some references from where I have considered these points. Thank you.